Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Twins podcast, the place where learning English feels easy, friendly, and fun.
Hi, friends. I'm Jack, and this is my twin sister, Emma.
And before we start, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you enjoyed learning English with us. It really helps our little podcast grow.
Today, we're talking about a super useful topic, ordering food at a restaurant.
Yes, a real-life situation we all face. And trust me, many English learners get nervous in restaurants.
Don't worry, after today, you'll feel confident and ready.
All right, Jack, let's start simple. What's the first thing you say when you enter a restaurant?
Usually, the host or waiter says, "Hello, how many people?"
Exactly. And you can answer with something very easy like, 2 people, please.
Or, "Table for two, please."
Repeat after us. Table for 2, please.
Table for two, please.
Nice. That sounded polite.
Okay, Emma, what if someone wants a window seat?
Ooh, good one. You can say, can we sit by the window?
And if the restaurant is full, the waiter might say, "Sorry, the window seats are taken."
Then you can reply, no problem.
Easy, simple, friendly.
All right, now imagine you're sitting down. What happens next?
The waiter comes and says, "Can I get you something to drink?"
Yes, and you can say, water, please.
Or, "I'd like a lemonade."
Or, just water for now.
Repeat after us. "I'd like a lemonade."
I'd like a lemonade.
Now here's a fun question, Emma. What if someone doesn't understand the menu?
Oh, that happens to me all the time.
All the time?
Yes, Jack, because sometimes menus use fancy words like glazed or roasted or caramelized.
True. Even native speakers get confused.
So if you don't understand, just ask, what does this mean?
Or, "Can you explain this dish?"
The waiter will not bite you.
I hope not.
They're happy to help.
Let's teach a small restaurant vocabulary list. Easy words only.
Okay,
Starter,
main dish,
dessert,
bill,
tip,
menu,
waiter or waitress.
chef.
Nice.
Now repeat after us. Can I see the menu?
Can I see the menu?
Good.
Now, Emma, let's practice ordering food.
Yes, let's do a little role play.
I'll be the customer. Emma, you be the waiter.
Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the chicken sandwich, please.
Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please.
And to drink?
Just water?
Perfect. I'll bring it right out. Easy, right?
Very easy.
But sometimes people want to be more polite.
Yes, let's teach some polite phrases.
You can say, could I have the chicken sandwich, please?
Or, "May I have the pasta?"
Repeat after us. Could I have the chicken sandwich, please?
Could I have the chicken sandwich, please?
Now, let's also teach how to ask for a recommendation.
Yes, you can say, "What do you recommend?"
Or, what's popular here?
Or, "What's your best dish?"
If the waiter says, the burgers are very good, you can reply, okay, I'll try that.
Simple and natural. Emma, I have a mini quiz for the listeners.
Ooh, okay.
If the waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?" what can you say? The answer is, "Yes, I'm ready," or "Not yet."
Yes, not yet is totally fine. Don't feel shy.
Another quiz. What do you say when you want to pay?
Ooh, good question.
You can say, "Can I have the bill, please?"
Or in American English, can I get the check, please?
Repeat after us. Can I get the check, please?
Can I get the check, please?
Emma, I want to teach something important.
What is it?
Tone of voice.
Oh, yes.
In restaurants, tone can change everything.
For example, saying water, flat tone, sounds a little rude.
But saying, water, please, soft tone, sounds polite.
And smiling also helps.
Always. But don't smile like a creepy clown.
Yes, please don't.
Let's teach how to ask for something extra.
Great idea. You can say, can I have extra napkins?
Or, can I have a spoon?
Or, can I have more water?
Repeat after us. Can I have more water?
Can I have more water?
Now let's practice a longer restaurant conversation.
Yes. Let's pretend we are at a nice cafe.
And let's keep it easy so our learners can follow.
I'll start as the waiter again. Hello, welcome to Sunny Cafe. Here's the menu.
Thank you.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'd like an iced tea, please.
Sure. Are you ready to order your food?
Not yet.
No problem. Take your time.
Emma, this menu has fancy words again.
Jack, it literally says pizza and sandwich.
Yes, but the pizza says wood-fired classic margarita with basil.
Oh, okay. If you don't understand something, what can you say?
Can you explain this?
Exactly.
Can you explain wood-fired margarita?
It means a simple pizza cooked in a wood oven.
Ah, okay. Then I'll have that.
Great choice. And would you like dessert?
What do you recommend?
The chocolate cake is very popular.
Okay. I'll try it.
See? Easy.
Very easy.
And listeners, don't worry if you forget a phrase.
English is a big language.
You learn step by step.
Bite by bite.
Jack, that's for food.
Exactly. That's why it fits.
Okay, Jack, let's teach how to fix mistakes.
Yes, sometimes learners say the wrong thing.
But it's no big deal. You just correct yourself.
For example, you say, I like the pasta.
Perfect. Natural.
I want to ask you something.
What is it?
Do you think people should memorize long sentences?
No.
Same.
Just learn small, easy chunks.
Like, I'd like.
Can I have?
What do you recommend?
Can I get the bill?
When you know these chunks, you can order anything.
Yes, even something very strange.
Like a pineapple pizza.
Jack, please don't start that fight.
I'm just saying.
And another small tip, listen to the waiter carefully.
Yes, sometimes they ask, for here or to go?
That means, will you eat here or take it away?
You can answer, for here, or to go. Another question,
Go ahead.
what if your food is not what you ordered?
Good one.
Some learners feel shy to say anything.
But it's totally okay.
You can say, excuse me, I ordered the pasta, not the salad.
Very polite.
And the waiter will fix it. Let's teach how to say something is delicious.
Yes, you can say, this is really good.
Or, this tastes amazing.
Or, I love this.
Easy and natural. Now, Emma, let's practice one more conversation, just a little longer.
Yes, let's do one more.
I'll be the waiter this time.
Great, I'll be the customer.
Hello, welcome to Greenleaf Restaurant. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
Sure. Would you like rice or fries?
Rice, please.
And would you like something to drink?
Yes, could I have orange juice?
Of course. Anything else?
What dessert do you recommend?
Our cheesecake is very popular.
Okay, I'll have that too. Sounds good to me. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll bring everything out soon.
See? Very simple. And you don't need long, complicated sentences.
Yes, the key is short, clear, friendly English.
Okay, Jack, let's teach something important. how to ask for changes in your food.
Ah, yes. For example, if you don't want something in the dish,
You can say, "Can you make it without onions?"
or no ice, please.
Or, "Can you make it less spicy?"
Repeat after us. Can you make it less spicy?
And I'll say it a little slower. Can you make it less spicy?
Good. Now let's teach how to say you're allergic to something.
Very important. You can say, "I'm allergic to nuts."
Or I can't eat dairy.
Or, "No seafood for me, please."
And say it clearly. Safety first.
Yes, very important.
Now, Emma, imagine someone wants to be very polite.
Like extra, extra polite.
Yes.
Then you can say, "Could you please bring me some water when you have a moment?"
That sounds super gentle.
Yes, like talking to your grandmother.
True. Let's teach listeners a fun phrase. Take your time.
Oh, yes. If your friend is reading the menu slowly, you can say, "Take your time."
It means don't hurry.
Very friendly and patient. And restaurants love patient customers.
Now, another important part, mistakes with pronunciation.
Oh, yes. I hear people say main-you instead of menu.
Right, it's men-you. Repeat after us. Menu.
And I'll say it a little slower. Men-you.
Great. Now, many people say desert instead of dessert.
Yes, desert is a hot, dry place with sand.
And dessert is cake, the important one.
Yes.
Repeat after us. Dessert.
Dessert.
Now, let's practice a small guessing game.
Yes, I love games.
Okay, listeners, guess the meaning of this sentence. Can I get this to go?
Think.
It means I want the food in a box so I can take it away.
Easy, right?
Now, another one.
Bring it on.
Could we have separate bills?
Ooh, good one.
It means each person wants their own bill.
So no fighting about money.
Yes, no, who pays, you or me?
That is always a battle. Jack, I want to teach something funny customers say.
What is it?
Some people say, "I'm full" after eating, and that's okay.
But please don't say I'm stuffed in a restaurant.
Yes, that sounds funny and not very natural.
I'm full is perfect.
Now let's practice an advanced situation.
Okay, imagine your food is taking a very long time.
Yes, this happens.
You can politely ask, "Excuse me, is our food coming soon?"
Or, "Do you know how much longer it will be?"
Very polite, very calm.
Yes, don't shout like Jack when he's hungry.
Hey, I don't shout.
You turn into a baby dinosaur.
Maybe a little.
Now, let's teach how to say the food is not good.
Oh yes, important but tricky because you want to stay polite.
You can say, "It's a bit too salty for me."
Or, "This is not what I expected."
Or, "I'm sorry, but I don't like this very much."
Always gentle.
Yes. Don't say, "This is terrible."
Please don't.
Okay, Jack, let's practice one more long conversation.
Great idea. Let's make this one a little more advanced. I'll start as the customer again. Hi, excuse me, could I order now?
Sure. What would you like?
I'd like the pasta with tomato sauce. Could you make it less spicy?
Of course. Anything else?
Yes, could I have a small salad too?
No problem. Would you like a drink?
Just water, please.
All right. And would you like dessert later?
Maybe. What do you recommend?
Our apple pie is very good.
Okay, maybe I'll try that after.
Great. Your food will be ready soon.
Perfect. That conversation was very natural.
Yes, and listeners can use it in real life today.
Okay, Emma, before we finish, let's teach some magic words.
Yes, The 3 magic words in restaurants.
Please
Thank you.
and excuse me.
If you use these 3, everything becomes easier.
The waiter becomes nicer.
The food tastes better.
Maybe.
Okay, maybe not, but still, be polite.
And remember, don't be scared.
Yes, English in restaurants is not a test.
You're just asking for food.
And everyone loves food.
Especially me.
Yes, we know, Jack.
To our amazing listeners, thank you for learning with us today.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And tell us in the comments what you want us to talk about next.
We love reading your ideas.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.